The E vowel is a short, mid-front, and unrounded vowel commonly found in American English. It is often referred to as the short E. The E vowel is most frequently represented by the letter E in English, but it can also appear in words spelled with the letter A, or other vowels in specific cases. The jaw drops. The corners of the lips pull back just a little bit. The tip of the tongue stays behind the lower front teeth. The middle front part of the tongue lifts towards the roof of the mouth, and the back of the tongue stretches wide. Think of saying as if you are hesitating, like I don't know. That's the basic shape. The sound behaves differently depending on stress. In English, vowels tend to be clearer and more pronounced in stressed syllables, but can become weaker or change in unstressed syllables. When stressed, is pronounced with full intensity. The pitch of the voice glides up and then down. The mouth opens and the vowel is pronounced more clear and high in pitch. Is stressed in the word bed. Bed. The mouth opens. The tip of the tongue touches behind the lower front teeth. The middle front part of the tongue is arched up towards the hard palate. When unstressed, can sound shorter and weaker. This is because in English, unstressed syllables are pronounced more quickly and at a lower pitch. Therefore, we hear a much more relaxed version of the vowel. E is unstressed in the word boyfriend. Boyfriend. Watch my mouth as I pronounce the word boyfriend. Notice how when I say the vowel E in the unstressed syllable, my mouth is much more relaxed than in the word bed. Compare the pictures. Notice how the mouth is more relaxed and the jaw is less open when pronouncing the unstressed E vowel. E in stressed syllables. Bed. Bed. Said. Said. Friend. Friend. Red. Red. In unstressed syllables. Boyfriend. Boyfriend. Employee. Employ. Embrace. Embrace.